Good morning, good morning. This is Gillykube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a little quick flip and lip cup pour. I'm just trying this on a smaller canvas in a test for a bigger one. I am using all of the Mont Studio acrylics with the Mont clear PVA. So I mix that at 70-30. The recipe is in the drop down box, as are my online suppliers that I get all my gear from, a Cooroy Shabby Chic. They are online and they are up and running in business, even though their area is in lockdown, but everything is business as usual, so there's no problems ordering online in Australia. Just needed to get that for some people that had asked me, are they still working, you know, they're still running. And yes, absolutely, online businesses are thriving, and well, that's where everybody's getting their gear from. So I have mixed this with the studio acrylic, that particular pouring medium, and I added two squirts of the Helmar silicone. This is a little bit thick, I think. I might just add just a little bit of water that I keep in my squeezy bottle here. Add a little bit of water because I just want to put the pink on the bottom for my flip and lip. See how we go. A little bit more, just so the paint will float around on that surface nice and easy. I did make all of these paints up in this size cup for several pours, so it's not, I always make my paints up for several pours, not just for one, because then I'll pour until I've got no more paint and keep doing different paint colours, combinations that I think match, go together. So this is just a little tester with this pink, which I used in the week, and it came out beautiful with some greens and blues. So I thought I will try it again. So I'm not worried about the edges for this one, because I'll probably run the paint over the edges. So I have got absolutely delicious. This one's the carmine. So I'm loading up a little mini cup with the paint. So I've got carmine, and then I'm going to put some of the, I can't find it, I think it's the hot pink. I'll find it on there. It's pink anyway. Ooh, that is a little bit thick. Eee. I might need to add something to that, and then I'm putting in the pink, adding a little bit of the turquoise, and this is the brilliant red. I think it's the brilliant red. I have to go back to my colours. I'm going back to the hot pink. I'll find the exact colour there. I'll tell you what I did as well with this red and the other red. I had a little bit of the primary elements pigments mixed up, and it was left over, so I just put the corresponding colour into the paint, because you probably can't see it. I can see some sparkles happening in there, so it was just putting them in, just not wasting them and putting them into the paint. So here we go. Rightio, and now I still think that is a bit thick, so I'm going to add some more water. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful weekend. Maybe by the time you see this, your weekend may be over, or not sure when I'll put this quick little flip cup up. Hope you're having a good one. Anyway, we started off with a really beautiful day here. We went out and Went to the beach in Coolum and had lunch with our son, and got back home to a big storm. So what better to come in my art room, disappear. I'm going to pour some paint around it, as then I'll kind of burp the paint out. This is why I'm not worried about the edges, because I hope to cover them with the paint that I'm putting on them now. So yeah, this is the paint. They're sort of testers for a bigger one I want to do this week. So I will just burp the paint out. So it's kind of going underneath that. And then this is my lip. And they're really lovely, rich colours. And I actually can see the glistening of that pigment in there. That's a lady sent to me, the Primary Elements pigment, and that I'd previously done pours this week with, or last week. So yeah, just the end one. Just giving this a little tilt. And how about... I'll say how about, I'll leave some negative space, but how rich those colours look. Beautiful. Just work my way down to this end. So just nice and slowly. This is a very good one for beginners, just a little flip cut pour like that. Obviously I'm not going to leave any negative space, so I've decided to tilt it. And look how that turquoise just... Wow, okay. Let me get my... Got my dryer here from the previous pour I just did, so I'm going to put my heat gun on. Yep, this is it. See if we can get some lovely little, not too much, but well, that's a bit weird. These are absolutely gorgeous. These have gone like little snowdrop, like little snowdrop shapes. What do you call them? Snowflakes. Snowdrops. Oh gosh, I have to laugh at myself. Beautiful, bright, vibrant colours. I love the colours. But I think I'm going to have to think of something different than the flip cup, because I'm not sure about that one. Oh my goodness, this balloon has really died a death. Look, it's gone down. But let me just see if I can give something the kiss of life, or the kiss of whatever. Let's just see. It's a bit different shaped balloon, so that's kind of pretty-ish. Pretty-ish. Is that a word? Pretty-ish? Well, I suppose it is, because I just said it. Shut your eyes if you don't like ballooning, or hop off to the next video. I like it. That's cute. That is very cute. I like it. That's it. Remember, your art room, your rules, your way. Pretty good. I'm happy with those colours, so I'm just about to try something a little bit bigger with those. So bear with me, and I'll put the photos up after. But that is very pretty, people. Very pretty. You guys take care of yourselves, take care of your mental health, do things that make you feel good. If you need to talk to anyone, please get on the phone to family, friends, helpline. Always somebody there to help you. And if not, you just hop on YouTube and watch YouTube videos from us lovely ladies that try and bring you joy with our acrylic art and painting and sometimes silliness, silly jilly. So I will try and remember to pop a joke on the end of this video, because some lovely ladies have been sending me some nana jokes to tell you all. So hope you enjoy that, and I'll see you again next time. Thank you and bye for now.